So I'm going to demonstrate you how you are going to wash your washable face mask. Okay, so I have my face mask here, and I don't need to use the washing machine if I want to wash this face mask. Okay, so first you are going to need a hot water. Make it sure that it's hot. Okay. Okay, so you need to fill your basin with water. Okay. Okay, so I have half water here, and I'm going to use this. This is a hand soap. Okay. Okay, so I put 3, and then okay, so I'm going to make it sure that everything's clean. Okay, so if you don't want to do that, you can just do like this, squeeze it, and then back. Okay, so you are going to keep repeating this until you think that everything's clean. Okay, and after that you are going to change your water. Okay, again use hot water. Okay, it's hot. Be careful, it's hot. So while you are doing this, because you are going to kill the bacteria. And be careful if you have the wire, just don't overbend this part. But if you don't have, just keep squeezing it, and then it's okay, that's fine. Okay, so now sit for a few minutes. Okay, and then change. Okay, so you are going to wash this 3 times. Okay, so that was my first, and then this is gonna be my second. Then it's gonna be my last. Okay, so your last, you can mix it with cold water or to make it warm. Okay. Okay, so your last washing, you are going to fix it. Okay, don't crumple it. Okay. so I have this now. This is gonna be my last one. So I'm squeezing it. I didn't crumple like that, okay? Just using my hand, or if you want you can just do like this, okay? Or else if you want to crumple it or squeeze it, you can iron it when it's dry. Okay, so it's ready to dry it. Okay, you can hang it inside your bathroom or somewhere that will dry itself. Okay, so I hope guys you learned something from my video, and click like and leave your comments. And for those who not yet subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks, and have a safe home. Okay, stay safe at home. Let's fight this all together. Bye.